Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel import project failed issue on Vercel in 2026. So if you are unable to import your GitHub project, seeing errors during setup, or the import process keeps failing, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, go to your Vercel dashboard and try importing the project again. Make sure you are logged into the correct account before starting. Next, check your GitHub connection. Go to Vercel settings and confirm that GitHub is properly connected and authorized. Now make sure Vercel has permission to access your repositories. Without full access, project import will fail. Next, check if the repository is private. If it is, ensure you have granted Vercel access to private repos as well. Now verify that the repository actually contains a valid project structure, like package, JSON, or a proper framework setup. Next, check your internet connection and try switching networks if the import page is stuck or not loading. Now clear your browser cache or try using incognito mode to avoid session conflicts. Next, disable VPN or browser extensions because they can block authentication or GitHub access. Now try importing a different repository to check if the issue is project-specific or account-wide. Finally, reauthorize GitHub access and restart the import process again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Vercel import project failed issue. Now your project should import smoothly without any errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.